So I have here, I was introduced, but I have here with me also Dr. Amir Alush, who is, this is joint work with him. He's CTO of our startup. And we have a third co-founder who is a professor in Stanford. He's a well-known researcher, Professor Carlos Kestrin, and he's a co-author of XGBoost, Apache TVM, Lime, so it's pretty well-known in the machine learning community. Yeah. So that's what exactly we're building. And we're building a platform that can actually connect to the huge pool of visual data, images, and videos. And we build a graph structure which have all the connectivity between the nodes. And then we can surface quality issues like duplicates, outliers, and so on, duplicates, corruption, and so on. But outliers are the one of interest for this talk. That's one of the things we are focusing. And this can be used as an API or can be used as an analyst tool to find those outliers. And in a second, I'll show you how it looks like. And this is the mention for our paper. If anyone is interested in academic work, that's the paper. It was about 11 years ago. But very recently, we won some prize, which was a fun, after it was, let's say, a failed academic career, but still we had a delayed prize, which is nice. So in order to build a graph, what do we need? We need to take images and videos, split them into frame, do some form of embedding, and then construct the graph. So for that, we build an open source tool called Fastdup. It's super popular. The slide is not up to date. We almost got to 500,000 installations in 2 years. And this is a popular GitHub project. You're all welcome to encourage to try out, where basically you can take a pool of images, we do the magic for you, and then we do the understanding. You get the output with mainly quality issues about outliers, corruptions, duplicates, and wrong metadata that is coming with those images. So that's pretty popular, and we have tons of companies using us. We have non-commercial license. It's for evaluation, but all the big enterprises, they just ignore it. It's useful, and some of them are also paying customers, which is nice. So in order to summarize what we want to do, we want to basically share to the world what's going on in a huge amount, billions of videos in social networks, and now we're building the platform to help still. So we have the low-level engine, which is the open source Fastdup that allows you to build a graph, but we need another visualization layer that can help you interact with the social network and do those experimentations. So the way it works, we connect to the organizational data sources, we underlyingly build a graph, we organize the data, gives you a way for free-form exploration. We also do some enrichment in order to cluster similar images and videos together, and we allow for extraction whenever we want to get meaningful subsets for downstream training, we can extract this information. So let me show you some demos. I can be a little risky and try to do an online demo, but if not, I have a backup video. Because I was not allowed to bring my laptop, but eventually the conference relented, so this is our real platform, hoping it will work smoothly on wireless connection of a conference, which I see is not. Oh no. So I think the network is down. Yeah, so maybe we'll go for, let's see, pray for me. Okay, let's say, I hope the network is not down. So what we have here, this one is a YouTube data set. We took 15,000 movies. I have also a lot of social network data sets. It's the same, it's video sources. What we do, we first do the feature vector embedding, we do the graph construction. Based on the graph, we learn quality issues, so we remove duplicates and outliers and all kinds of corruptions. And then we are able to, for an analyst, to show what's going on in the data set. So we do unsupervised clustering for the data. And for example, we have a cluster of fireworks. And specifically, an analyst can look at different types of fireworks, and when there is a fireworks of interest, they can go to the specific frame, and then if the internet is working, we will pull the video. And the video is coming from the specific second where this firework happened. The next thing we can do in order to help you find interesting things is a free text search. So for example, you can ask for a woman with a striped shirt, and you get all the women with striped shirts in this video pool, and you can always relate back to the specific video. What are the benefits to the thing the platform that we are building is first we went to the stage that we have no clue what's going on to the way we have a graph which analyzes the full view of the network to get the full visibility, and that way we can quickly interact with it and find the areas of interest. This makes our work with visual data way more efficient because we don't need to manually label things or to write code or to write scripts and so on, and we can be way more effective when dealing with visual data. Our tool can run both on-prem or in the cloud. It depends on the customer and what's the level of secrecy of the data. And we are super scalable. We are the most scalable tool we know. Largest customer up to date has 100,000 hours of video. So that's pretty much. If you translate it to video frames, you get hundreds of billions of video frames. So that's a very big data set.